Hi, I'm Renae and welcome to my kitchen. On this channel, what we do is low carb. So it's low carb meals or keto. Now, where do I find my recipes? Some of what I know and some of what I found in recipe books or even right here on YouTube. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna be trying them. Yes, we're gonna be trying it. So sometimes we'll have a little mishaps. And it will not come out so good, that kind of a thing. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen on this channel. Okay, we're gonna be very real here, very real. Yeah, all the mistakes, no cutting out. You're gonna see it all. So today, what are we gonna try? Today we're gonna try almond flour muffin. I bought my almond flour here. So almond flour is available in our supermarkets, right? It's a little expensive, and so when you bake, you make it serve. Yeah, like that. Anyway, so we're gonna be trying that. And my neighbor has a guava tree, and let me tell you, when that guava tree begins to produce fruits, it produces. And so I would always get guavas, right? And so I tried to make a guava paste. Well, kind of like a guava jelly kind of thing. And so I'm going to be doing some filling for that. So I may not show you how I do the filling today in this episode, but I will definitely show you how I do the filling in another episode, right? So let's go try this thing. Almond flour muffin with filling. Let's go try it. Let's go. What's your take? Do you think that was a good one? What's your take on that? I'd love to hear it in the comments. Drop a comment. Let me know what you thought of that recipe that we tried. All right, it's time to go, but I'm looking forward to trying something else next time. Don't forget to join me, right? And remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out each time I post something low carb or keto. Bye.